We are introducing uploading cases in VMLPro. There are two ways to import recordings. The first one is by importing a single recording. To do that, click on Import Recording in the left menu. Click on Select EEG file to choose your file. Once you pick the file, you can see a preview. The recording's data will be parsed and you can see and edit them like patient, age, date of birth, and more fields. When you're done, click on Upload and the file will start uploading. When the uploading is done, click on Refresh Patients. Scroll down and you can find the newly added recording. The second way to import recordings is through Batch Import. Click on Batch Import in the left menu. You can choose to upload files or a folder. Allowed data formats are EDF, Nicolette, and Micromed. Once you choose your files, the uploading will start. When the uploading is done, you can find it by pressing Refresh Patients, then scrolling down. You can change the case's info after upload by clicking on the case, then Edit Case, and then you can edit information like name, date of birth, and other info. To import videos and attach them to a recording, open the recording you want to attach the video to. Then, click on Media and choose Upload Patients Videos. Select the files you want to upload, then click Start Upload and wait for the videos to be uploaded. Once the uploading is done, click on Close, then click on Media, Videos, and refresh. You'll see the video you uploaded. To change the timestamp the video is positioned at, double-click on the video, then specify the time, either relative or absolute. You can also change it by clicking on Timeline, then dragging the video to the timestamp. Now, if you go to the timestamp you picked, then click Video, it will start playing.